Hey Divi Nation, welcome to another installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away 2 free Divi Layout Packs straight from our design team to you. And for the first one this week, we have for you a fresh painting service layout pack. And this painting service layout pack is built with a special emphasis on showcasing painting services in a variety of unique ways. The design is fresh, with beautiful paint gradient background images throughout, and the layouts include 3 separate service pages that are very practical, giving painting professionals everything they need to have their company website up and running in no time. So go ahead and check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout pack on your own website. Before you can access the pre-made layouts in the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. To do that, go to Divi, Theme Options, and then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. And if you are using our latest version of Divi, that is Divi 3.18 and later, with the new WordPress 5.0 update, you will want to go over to your Builder tab here and then click the Advanced tab underneath. And then you'll want to enable the latest Divi Builder experience and also enable the Classic Editor. That way you will have the best experience with the new Divi Builder. After that, click Save Changes. Now you're ready to create new pages with their corresponding layouts. To do that, go ahead and get started by creating a new page by going to Pages, Add New. There, give your page a name and then click to use the Divi Builder. Next, select the Choose a Pre-Made Layout option. Then, from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll down and find the Painting Service Layout Pack and click on it. There you will see a preview of all of the different pages included in the pack over here on the right, and a preview of the actual layout on the left. Once you find the one that you like, go ahead and select the Use This Layout button. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And you can toggle the desktop view mode to make sure that the layout has loaded nicely, and I can see that it has, so we are good. After that, you are ready to continue this same process to load all of your pre-made layouts to their new pages. And once all your pages have been completed, you're ready for the next step, which is to create a new menu for your website. To do that, you'll need to navigate to Appearance, Menus. Then go ahead and give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. Over here on the left, you'll see a list of all of the new pages with their corresponding layouts. And go ahead and select all of them and then add them to your menu. In the menu structure area, you can organize all of your menu items however you like. And then don't forget to set your display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. After that, you're ready for the final step, which is to add a static home page to your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Then for your home page displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for your static page, select the home page that you created with the home page layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your website is up and running with the new Painting Service Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to check out our Cyber Monday sale, which is still going on right now. It is 25% off Elegant Themes membership, and that is the best deal we give away all year long, so you'll want to jump on that quickly. Also, you'll want to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you can get a notification every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.